Alright, so now that you guys have wandered onto this channel and you're wondering, hey, how do I prepare a massage for my wife, my husband, partner, kids, or whoever, and they're in pain? We have our wonderful model. She is now doing her opening sequence. She's preparing the body, bringing back the sheets. And it doesn't matter if you're male or female. You're going to pretty much do the same exact strokes. So nice and smooth. It's a nice glide. And see how she's leaning into the body? That's wonderful pressure. So as she's working on work, you know, people are crappy. It's been a craptastic day. And you need to relieve the stress. Or creams or anything like that, and you want to take care of your client, partner, whoever you're dating, you just put one knee on the table. The other knee comes on the table as well. You get as closest to his kneecaps as possible. And then now you're going to do a walking motion or movement up the client's legs. So she's just rocking back and forth, nice and slow. And she's leaning in with her body weight, leaning left and right. And we're going right up to the hamstrings. So you're going to go over that kneecap because we don't want to be putting pressure back there at the PCL, which is your posterior cruciate ligament, or back in the kneecap, the love zone if you kiss it. It's a erogenous zone. But we're not doing that right now. We're going up to the glutes, palms. Perfect. And see how she's leaning her whole body weight on top of his butt, which we refer to as the glutes. Gluteus maximus. The movements are with intention and with purpose. And your client can feel your intention because they're probably going to be knocked out sleep. Or they'll say, baby, it feels good, moaning and groaning, all that good stuff. That's how you know you're doing a great job. I can't just say this is all for partners and keep saying it. Not everybody's going to be in a committed relationship. So whoever you're working on, you might just be totally naked. And you're going to do the same exact movements. Nothing's different. See how she's applying the cream to the body. And this cream is perfect for the skin. It's 4 different oils, so it's great for your skin. It stays on. It's really, really thick consistency. And we'll put a link in the description below to where you can get it. And it's nothing fancy, just nice continuous strokes.